inland Citrus, inland Hernando.
Guys, this is very serious.
Tropical storm warning in effect. Hurricane watch remains in effect. Your coastal waters forecast for the following marine location. Coastal waters from Englewood to Tarpon Springs out 20 to 60 nautical miles. Issued at 5:19 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time. Small craft advisory in effect through Thursday evening. Today, south winds around 20 knots with gusts to around 30 knots. Seas 5 to 7 feet. Numerous showers and isolated thunderstorms. Tonight, tropical storm conditions possible. South winds 20 to 25 knots with gusts to around 35 knots. Sea 6 to
Holy crap.
thunderstorms. Thursday, tropical storm conditions possible. South winds around 30 knots with gusts to around 45 knots. Seas 12 to 16 feet.
Oops.
Widespread showers and isolated thunderstorms. Thursday night, tropical storm conditions possible. Southwest winds around 30 knots, diminishing to 20 to 25 knots after midnight. Gusts around 45 knots. Seas 12 to 16 feet. Widespread showers and isolated thunderstorms. Friday, southwest winds 20 to 25 knots with gusts to around 35 knots, diminishing to around 20 knots in the afternoon. Seas 6 to 8 feet. Widespread showers in the morning. Isolated thunderstorms.
Yep, tropical storm warning.